There was good old crack on the road that night as we left our homes in Ireland. The lights flickered from the shore, the bones rocking to and fro, and before the ducks never rose. How we sang and danced and hide away, the squeeze box sang and played, stepping off the folding willow.